Hello, and welcome to Lesson 1 out of 2 in the data unit in our new Python series. It has been a while since I made an upload, so I hope you enjoy this video. Today, we will be looking at the different types of data. Enjoy, and please note that all of the lessons made have a recap at the end. How most of our lessons work is simple, but today, I will explain different types of data, and then explain casting, and show you guys some examples. Then we will do a recap and start making a simple game. This video will explain 5 types of data in Python. There could be more I forgot to add, but these are the main ones. A character is a single alphanumeric characters, which means a single space, symbol, number, and letter is a character. A string is a set of characters and is used for all data that is not calculated. An integer is a whole number that can be positive or negative, and can be only used for data that requires calculations. A real is a number with the decimal part. Reals can only be used for calculations. A Boolean is data that either is true or false. It is used to track if something has happened or not. Now, I never knew this concept had a name until a few weeks ago, so I thought I would add it to today's video. Casting means converting a data type to another. Casting is very important as different parts of code might require different formats of data. As an example, the code may need data in the form as a string, but the input was made for integers. I will now show you guys some examples. There is quite a lot for today's video as I added different uses of each data. This example shows 3 types of data which is used in a fun code to see if a user is the right age to be smart. Let's recap. A character is a single alphanumeric characters, which means a single space, symbol, number, and letter is a character. A string is a set of characters and used for all data that is not calculated. An integer is a whole number that can be positive or negative, and can be only used for data that requires calculations. A real is a number with a decimal part that can only be used for calculations, like an integer. Boolean is data that is either true or false. It is used to track if something has happened or not. Casting is a concept that means converting a data type to another. It's game time. We will be making a simple guess the data type game. This game will be open sourced on GitHub with no attribution needed as the code was made for the video only. Hope you enjoy using it as much as I did making it. We will do more of the game in the next lesson. I hope this lesson has gave you knowledge, helped you revisit, or just even provide something to pass some time. In the next lesson, we will look at operators and how to use them. Goodbye and see you there.